Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me that evidently watched one of my videos and they said when I grabbed a rectangle or a square, it would snap to the top left corner of my page. But they couldn't get it to do on a circle or ellipse because there's really no way to do that. So they evidently haven't watched all my videos, but to do that with a circle, you can very easily do it right up here with your object origin. Click the top left node and then just type in 0. Well, it's not letting me do it. Type in 0, 0, and it's going to go to the top left corner. That's the easiest way, and if they evidently haven't watched my other video, but there's my new video on macros on top left corner. We'll put any object. So you got a square, I've written a macro for top left. Put the square, circle, top left. It put the circle, star even, top left. It put it in the top left corner of your laser page. Anyway, so there's really no way to manually move a circle around because this handle does not become like this handle, when you click on it, actually becomes that four-way cross where you can move it around from that handle, but here you don't have that option. The only way to move the circle evenly is from the center. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.